So today we are here with a new session on the topic of speech pathology. So speech pathologist is one of the medical professions, so which is high in demand. So we are looking at the options. So what are the study options? And today I am with Husneet Banga. She is working here as an education counselor at Aussizz Group, Collins Street branch. Hi
Hi,
Husneet, how are you?
hi Jagdeep. I'm good. Hi everyone. I'm Husneet as an education counselor, Collins, Melbourne. So with the course Speech Pathology, so this is offered as a bachelor's, as a master's. So when you go for the bachelor's is for four years and master's is for 2 years. So with the entry requirement is little high in this course, which we can discuss later. And while studying this course, you will be having an immense knowledge about the biosciences and health sciences, and you will acquire a knowledge related to the communication and solving. And also with this course you will have a lot of clinical placements, and then Jagdeep can tell you about the outcomes
Yeah.
about the course.
Yes. So see, as I already explained before when we start the program, that this is a medical profession. This is one of the highest demand occupation in Australia. So speech pathologists basically are those professionals, those medical professionals who are dealing with the people who are having a speech delays and all those kind of things, isn't
Yeah.
it, Hasneet? Is that
Yeah.
correct? Yeah. So today we will be discussing this course. So which kind of institutions and where this course is available and the options about the course. So Hasneet, let's go ahead and first of all discuss what is the entry requirements. Let's say if someone has done 10+2 studies from overseas,
Yeah.
and are they able to enroll in this course in bachelor's?
They can. The entry requirement with the course would be the 85% minimum,
Okay.
depending on a board,
Yep.
and also a few other exams they have to appear. And with the IELTS, it is a very high requirement. Some universities are asking 7 each, and some of them are asking 8 each.
Oh, oh,
So to
wow.
gain 8 each is little,
Yeah, yeah,
difficult for the
difficult
clients, but
clients. Yep.
yes. But there are few options with the 7 each, and there is a few PQP pathways also for the master's courses. So student can do some certificate and then they can do their bachelor's also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, cool. So see, when it comes to entry requirements, usually there is a question on the top of the head, like if someone has done, let's say, commerce or arts in, 10+2,
Yeah.
are they able to enroll in this course? Are they able to get an offer from the universities or not?
I will say it's not easy, but we can try. But majorly, the universities are asking for the relevant background.
Background. So you mean to say, like, if someone has done medical
Yes,
in 10+2, or let's say non-medical in 10 plus
10
2?
plus 2, yeah.
Okay.
Majorly medical and
Major
maths.
maths. Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. All right. So when it comes to English language requirements,
Yeah.
Hasneet, is the IELTS exam required, or we can provide the PTE as well?
Though majorly IELTS is required, but for the admission requirement, sometimes some universities are accepting PTE also.
Ah, okay, 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 okay. That's good. So, Hasneet, now let's move to a master's. As you said,
Yeah.
there is a master's pathway as well.
Yep.
So, if someone has done bachelor's,
Yeah.
so they are able to do master's in this field.
Yes.
So, what are the basic requirements? So, let's say the qualification requirements.
So with the bachelor's, you should have done the bachelor's in health science, bachelor's in nursing, even you can enroll. After that, bachelor's in biosciences,
Okay.
bachelor's in biotechnology. And but with the entry requirement again, it depends on a university. University they have certain criteria to fulfill. And again with with the master's level, most of the universities are asking 8 each.
Yep.
Those who have the accreditations
Oh,
for the
okay.
course. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So accreditation. When it comes to accreditation, what do you mean by accreditation? So can you please explain further?
So accreditation is the authority body from where you, after completion of the course, you have to get the registration, and only on the basis of the registration you can move forward to find your jobs.
Oh, yeah. So see, I just want to elaborate about the accreditation. So first of all, accreditation is, it is most of the occupations have these skill assessing authorities and their registration authorities. Let's say let's take an example for the nursing. So in nursing field, we have a AFRA. AFRA is providing accreditation for the courses to different institutions. So if your course is accredited by AFRA, let's say, so you can straight away get your registration as a nurse, isn't it? So same in speech pathology, we have a SPA, which is called Speech Pathology Australia. So that is the body who is taking care of this occupation. So if your course is accredited by SPA, you can straight away get the registration and get your skills assessment, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So Husneet, when it comes to masters, so what is the English requirements? So what is the minimum we have to do in English?
7 each.
7 each.
In
All right.
IELTS, yeah.
In IELTS, or can we provide PTE?
PTE, yeah.
Okay.
Some of the universities. But we can just try, because bachelor's is for the 4 years. Those who have studied bachelor's within Australia in a relevant science background, then they might get the waiver in the IELTS requirement.
Oh, okay. That's good. All right. So guys, so this was the occupation. The occupation that we are discussing is a speech pathology. So we have seen there are very, very few candidates that we have come across a year. Let's say we are just getting 1 or 2 files in a year. So this is a very best field if you are looking your PR pathways in medical field, and if you are interested in speech pathology field, you can come to our office. You can meet Husneet, and she will assist you with the admission process at the relevant universities who are providing this course. So Husneet, when it comes to course, so do we have universities in Melbourne City?
Yes, we do have.
Okay.
And we do have universities in the regionals also.
Oh, that's good. So see, when it comes to regional, you know, you can obtain extra points, extra 5 points for regional studies. So if you are looking for regional campuses, so we do have regional campuses. So Husneet, can you please give us some locations? I'm not talking about any universities or colleges. So I'm just talking about locations where we can enroll if we want to get regional studies, like if we want to enroll in a regional campuses.
So we have the regional campus for the NSW and Canberra, and within Melbourne we have the course offering with the other universities, and the Victoria is also there in the regional campus.
Oh, that's good. So guys, if you are looking for regional studies as well and just want to gain more and more points for your journal skill migration pathways, so we can help you with that one. And even though you are living in regional area, we have some campuses, we have some universities and institutions who are offering this course in regional campuses as well. So now let's talk about the basic, units. What sort of units and studies candidates can have to do?
So within, it depends from each university, right? So university has their own curriculum. So student will be studying according to that. But what they will be covering in that, that we can talk about. And even I wanted to say that this course has a research program also.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. So if someone is want to do a research on this field, so they can go ahead and do it. So guys, let's when we are talking about research, so with the research qualifications, you will get extra years of TR, and you can get obtain extra points if you are doing research in some kind of fields, isn't it?
Yes.
All right.
And with this course, I just wanted to say that you will learn, about the communication, and you will learn to understand the other person's mindset, what is their behavior, and you will also learn how to treat them, how to advise them to develop their understanding towards the society.
Yes, you're right. So see, basically speech pathologists are professionals, as I explained before, so who are, basically assisting candidates who are, assisting patients who are having a speech delays or those kind of issues. So as we have seen in the community, we have so many, people who are facing this hurdle. So let's say some of even some of my friends in my friend circle, so their kids, they are having a speech delay kind of things, so so they are visiting speech pathologists. So this is one of the best occupation in healthcare sector. So if you are looking for PR pathways and you have done some sort of studies like basically related to the medical field in your bachelor's, and if you are unable to do masters in nursing because of there is a high demand of that course, and we are having so many people who are waiting for year or year and a half to get enrolled in that course. So if you are looking for options that will be helping you with your PR pathways, so you can come visit us and we can assist you you too to get enrolled in this course. So basically masters in speech pathology.
Masters, yeah. Even for the bachelors.
Even for the bachelors, yes, we can go ahead and do it. So Husneet, now let's talk about fee structure. How much a candidate who is doing bachelors has to pay per semester?
So, see, the fees is really high for this course as it is highly demanding, and as you said, that student can opt for the PR pathway also. So for the annual, there is a maximum fees which is 40,000 and minimum is 36.
Okay.
So we can opt for the scholarship options, but most of the universities are not offering any scholarship, particularly on this course and nursing.
Yeah. So when it comes to scholarships, so I just want to make it clear here, because see, scholarships you won't get for those courses who are high in demand. Let's say if you want to study any kind of medical field, teaching field, or any other fields who are in high in demand, so you won't get any kind of scholarships from the universities, because universities are already offering scholarships and free programs to Australian permanent residents and citizens, so they just want to earn money from international students. So that's why they are not offering that many scholarships in this particular field of area or field of studies. So Husneet, when it comes to as you said, so there will be a roughly $36,000 a year fees for, that is at least, that is the minimum one, and the maximum one is 40,000 a year. So a year means 2 semesters?
Yes, 2 semesters.
Okay. So this fees is for masters or for bachelors?
Approximately both of them.
Both of them. All right. Okay.
And with the masters and with the bachelors, both courses are placement basis. So you do the clinical placement within the course, which is a part of the course, and you get a lot of knowledge, and you get chance to communicate with the community people, local community people, patients, and you get the placement in different places: aged care, child care, rehabilitation centers, lot of other places where you go for the placements, and you really gain a knowledge within the placement and within the course, so that later on completion of the course you're ready for the industry.
Okay, that's good. So see, this course is basically focused on your clinical kind of education. So you have to do little kind of practical lots of practical tasks. Theoretical tasks are very minimal. So yes, so this course is basically focused on the clinical sort of trainings. So Husneet, when it comes to PR pathways, so I will explain this one. So first of all, so you will get an occupation title as a speech pathologist from SPA, as I explained before, Speech Pathology Australia. So if you have studied accredited course from one of the accredited institutions, straight away you can get your skills assessment. So you have to submit the application to SPA. They will assess your application and they will assist you with that, and they will issue you the skills assessment if you are meeting the minimum criteria for that. So once you get the skills assessment, so you can go ahead and lodge your EOIs with for 189, 190 and 491, which are general skill migration visas. So basically what we have seen is in the last invitation round, the people who were sitting at as little as 65 points, okay, basic points that we need to be eligible for 189, 190 or 491 visas. So they got picked up, they got invited for this occupation.
Okay, that's really good. And you mean to say there is no work experience required?
Nah, because why it is not required? If you are Australian, qualified, you have finished your studies in Australia, all right, then you don't need any kind of work experience after the qualifications. Once you obtain the Australian qualification, you can go ahead and do your skills assessment. Because you have already finished some set of courses here in Australia while you were studying, you have finished so many placements. I think so you have to finish placement in every subject.
Yes, actually.
Right? So that's why they are not required to do any kind of work experience.
Okay, that's really good.
Yeah, so any other questions, Husneet, you want to ask from the migration prospect perspective, so you know you are getting so many clients. So
Yeah, so whenever I get clients, right, so people are so confused while doing this course or nursing. I try to convince students that this is a highly demanding course and there are very limited seats for the nursing.
yes.
So just I want you to explain to the student that doing this course will lead them to their
Permanent
pathway.
pathway.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, guys, as Husneet already told us that the competition is very tough in the
Yes.
field of nursing, because there are so many candidates waiting in the queue to get enrolled in that course, and universities are already jam packed because this course is also offered by the government to Australian permanent residents and citizens towards a free course.
Yes.
Right? So that's why there are limited seats within the universities institutions, so that's why they are not offering this course for any other intake. So they have basically, let's say if we are talking about medical field, so if you haven't finished your bachelor's in medical field, all right, you can go ahead and do the masters of nursing.
Yes.
All right, practicing.
Yeah.
So we have some institution who are offering this course, but the issue that is there are already people in the queue who are waiting for it. All right, but now the question is, whenever I am just come across this query, so people are asking, let's say in nursing you can get the admission, all right, even though you have just finished your bachelor's in, let's say, IT, bachelor's in commerce. Can we get the admission in masters of this one speech pathology with those backgrounds?
No.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
It's
so
not
we
easy.
need to have a relevant background.
See,
Something into biosciences, health sciences, biotechnology, and many
so
other fields.
that is the drawback. So I can say that yes.
But there are a lot of students, those who have done, Bachelor of Health Science,
Yes,
Bachelor of
nursing, yes.
Bachelors of Rehabilitation. There's
Yes.
a lot of students those who have done,
yeah,
and
yeah.
they are unaware about the, pathways.
Pathways, yes,
So
correct.
some of the students have heard from their friends, so they just focus on doing nursing after
Nursing.
that.
Yes, you're right. So see, we have candidates who have done bachelor's in science, BSc science.
Yes.
Let's say some of the students have just completed chemistry, biology, and physics in their bachelor's.
Yeah.
So even though they are eligible for this course, isn't it?
True.
Yeah. So see, yes, guys, you can explore more and more options in this course. If you need more guidance, so how to enroll in this course, what are your educational backgrounds, whether you are eligible for this course or not, you can come visit us at Aussizz Migration and Education at Collins Street, Melbourne.
Yeah.
So Husneet, any other questions you want to ask in relates to migration? That your clients, you are just come across to those questions on regular basis?
Yeah, but not related to this course. But I have a lot of other clients, those who are doing, teaching, nursing.
Yes.
So I just want to understand, when student is doing nursing, they need to get the registration. But
Yes.
somehow I really get the clients, those who have done nursing from the India or any other country, because I'm from India, I get majorly clients from the India. So, and they want to do NCLEX. So can you just highlight about it?
Oh yes. See, if you are overseas trained nurses, let's say you have, as Husneet said, if you have completed bachelor's in nursing from India, let's say, take an example. So if you are overseas qualified nursing, then you have to do a set of exam, NCLEX and Aussizz.
Yes.
Right?
Aussizz.
Yeah, Aussizz. So these two exams you have to do, and once you pass these exams, you can get the registration. On the other hand, if you are Australian qualified nurses, even though you have just finished your bachelor's or master's in Australia, so you don't need those exams. You don't need to sit in those exams because you have already trained in Australia. So you have learned those kind of core conducts, those kind of rules, regulations. So that's why you don't need to do those kind of exams, sit in those kind of exams. So you can straight away, once you finish your Australian qualifications, you can go ahead and do the registration, and later on you can get the skills assessment as well.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes. Anything else, Husneet, you just want to ask?
No, I'm pretty good, but I have a lot of clients, those who have, waiting to know about the nursing. So thank you for, solving the queries for them.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, guys. So once again, thanks for joining us. So today we have discussed about the speech pathology occupation. So we have basically covered the educational institutions and the courses available for this occupation. So if you have any questions related to the course and you just want to enroll in this course, just come to us at our Melbourne Collins Street branch and meet Husneet. And if you have a PR pathways queries related to this course or related to any other course, then you can come and visit me and our other two migration agents, Mr. Diljan Singh and Mr. Kamaljeet Singh at Collins Street branch. So hope we have covered this topic well, and hope you guys understand the basic requirements for this course. Thanks once again. Yeah, thank you.